Locations become haunted for various reasons. What happens when you combine the secrecy of an authoritarian government with the production of dangerous military chemicals and numerous deaths? It's quite possible you could end up with a haunted chemical production facility, and the Chimopar chemical plant outside of Bucharest is the perfect example. The Chimopar plant itself is a ghost of the past, and from the looks of it, the spirits of the dead workers are not well hidden. When you approach the Chimopar plant, the first thing you'll notice is an effluvium of toxic chemicals before you even see the mass of abandoned structures. This sea of dilapidation looks more like an abandoned city than an amalgamation of factory buildings. Nevertheless, this was a major source of gunpowder and military chemicals for the Romanian government to use for themselves and to export. Given the chemicals produced at Chimopar, it is no wonder there was secrecy surrounding it and an inherent danger to the workers. Explosions and accidents were commonplace. The Chimopar plant was founded in 1895 and specialized in the production of gunpowder and special chemicals that I can only imagine were chemical weapons like mustard gas. In 1904, the Chimopar plant was rocked by a massive explosion that claimed the lives of several workers. The sudden nature of death and explosions can essentially keep the souls of the dead workers on repeat, not knowing that they are deceased. In 1923, there was another explosion at the Chimopar plant that claimed the lives of several more workers, condemning them to an eternity of uncertainty. It would be understandable if some of these souls were angered and decided to stick around and harass the living. The most recent accident that claimed the lives of workers was in 1979. However, the secrecy of the times where the communist Romanian government was in power make information regarding these incidents and the casualty figures hard to determine. There is no doubt that the amount of death and misery caused by the events at the Chimopar chemical plant can leave a lasting presence of those who lost their lives there. In the modern day, the Chimopar plant is still operational, but much of the campus now sits abandoned. There are minimal fences to keep people out, and seeing other people there is common. Some people that I saw while at the Chimopar plant were scavenging for valuables, spray painting the abandoned structures, feeding the stray dogs, exploring, living within the abandoned buildings, and even people filming a music video. The chemical smell is overpowering and will make most people feel ill after a while. I had the distinct feeling of being watched the entire time I was at Chimopar. It may have been human eyes or the eyes of the damned, but without a doubt, this ghost of the past contains some residual energy of the men who died here and had their deaths concealed by state secrecy. Let's try to get away from where people are. Don't necessarily want to get kicked out just yet, and I really don't want to run into people who are here for a little more nefarious purposes. So, be a good place to hide out if you're a criminal, and it'd be a really good place to commit a crime. Like I said, 99% sure when I first got here and was getting my boots on and shit that those people were doing a drug deal. So yeah, isn't exactly the most friendly place. The ride back's gonna be shit because it's gonna be dark and I didn't bring my lights with me. Oh well, fucking way she goes.
can hear that music. Sounds like it's coming from that building. Definitely coming from the building, and those are the same two drug dealer guys that I saw previously. Oh, they've got cameras. Maybe it wasn't a drug deal, maybe they were just taking photos. They're dressed well. Damn, that chemical smells fucking foul. I think they're filming a music video, actually. I think that's why they're playing the music, so he can kind of sing along with it. And the guy's recording, and then they can just kind of sync the audio to it later. That's pretty fucking cool, actually. Yeah, they're definitely shooting a music video. Hell yeah. I guess I shouldn't have been so rash to make a judgment. Kind of looked like they were doing a bit of a drug deal, the way they were acting, but they were just shooting a music video. I'm a dick. Some people are legit living right there. Just heard them talking. I don't think I'm gonna go in there. That's where the stairs used to be. Yeah, not worth it. Yep, being followed by a wild dog. There's about 3 of them. The sun's going down. I think I have seen enough.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, it really does help me out. And if you want to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button. This will probably be my last video for 2018, and all you guys who subscribe, watch, comment, you guys are the best. And in 2019, I hope to bring you more content, better content, keep improving. Thank you guys so much again, and yeah, I hope 2019 treats you guys well.